Candid, Neutrons in Computers. Book 1.
Parts of a computer.
Hey, see computer.
But what is this? Is this also a computer?
Hello kids. Yes, Pranav. This is a part of computer. See, a computer has many parts. When all these parts are connected together and work together, then you can do work on computer. Okay, today I will tell you about parts of computer. This is a monitor.
Ma'am, it looks like a television screen.
Yes, it looks like a television. We can see movies and cartoons on the monitor. It shows our work done. The most important part of the computer is its central processing unit. In short, it is called CPU. It is the brain of computer. See, it looks like a box. It helps in doing calculations and other work. Okay, now tell me children, have you seen a mobile phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen a calculator?
Yes, ma'am. My father has a calculator.
Mobile phone and calculator have a keypad by which we can enter a number. Like the keypads of mobile phone and calculator, there is a part of computer which has a keypad. It is a keyboard. Keyboard is bigger than a calculator and a mobile phone.
Excellent.